the academic awards for semester 2, June 2021. A short reminder, you might need your certificates when you apply to a university or move to another school. You work hard to earn them, so take care of them. Keep them in a safe place so you can find them when you need them. One subject award for Year 7. Award for Year 8. One subject award for Year 9. One subject award for Year 10. Two subject awards for Year 7. Two subject awards for Year 8. Two subject awards for Year 9. Two subject awards for Year 10. Three subject awards for Year 7. Three subject awards for Year 8. Three subject awards for Year 9. Three subject awards for Year 10. 4 subject awards for Year 7. Four subject awards for Year 8. Four subject awards for Year 9. Four subject awards for Year 10. Five subject awards spanning from Year 7 to 10. There are 11 students. Six subject awards spanning from Year 7 to 10. There are 7 students. For Year 7. For Year 8. For Year 9. For Year 10. Seven subject awards spanning from Year 7 to 10. There are 4 students. For Year 8. For Year 9. For Year 10. The 8 subject awards spanning from Year 7 to 10. There are 4 students. For Year 8. For Year 9. For Year 10. Congratulations, everybody. And now on to the DP.
Year 11, one subject award. The students are Year 11, two subject awards, and the students are three subject awards. The students are four subject awards. The students are five subject award. There are two students. And we'll continue to the year 12. One subject award. The students are Year 12, 2 subject award. The students are three subject awards. The students are there are 2 students who receive 4 subjects award. Year 12, 5 subject award. And 1 student who received 6 subject award. Congratulations to all the students. Now we continue to Pak Steve's video.
Greetings! While the primary purpose of this assembly is to recognize students for their academic achievement, we also want to take some time to recognize some of our departing teachers who have helped our students achieve academic success. I have the honor and the privilege to say a few words about Pak Chris McMahon and about Ibu Ayu. Pak Chris joined Global Jaya in 2016 and since then has taught business management, economics, MYP individuals and societies, and has also run the board games asset. To know Pak Chris is to know a man who is intelligent and well-read in a variety of topics. He is also kind, genuine, and I have only seen him be friendly to everyone he has met. I don't think I've ever had a conversation with Pak Chris from which I did not walk away having laughed and also having learned something, no matter how trivial it might have been. Pak Chris, I wish you safe travels on your return to the UK and the best of luck. While I don't make it that way very often anymore, when I do, I will be sure to look you up. Ibu Ayu joined Global Jaya in 2019. Since then, she has continued the improvement of our Services Action Program and really taken it to new levels, both in expectations and guidance of students. Ibu Ayu also took on Indonesian studies and applied the same mindset to make it great by making it relevant to students. Although she was only with us for 2 short years, Ibu Ayu has left an indelible mark on Global Jaya. Ibu Ayu, all the best to you, and if my family do make it back to Central Java, we will most definitely take you up on your offer to visit. To both Ibu Ayu and Pak Chris, on behalf of the entire Global Jaya community, I thank you for all you have done for our students, our school, and our community. Take care and keep in touch.
I will continue to announce some teachers and staff who will be leaving. There are 2 admin assistants leaving, Ibu Anissa and Ibu Tanti. Ibu Anissa has served from GGS for 4 years and Ibu Tanti for 10 years. I believe you know Anissa and Ibu Tanti. Their office is in front of Pak Steve's office. Both have very important role to support principals, teachers, students, and parents. Personally, I miss both of you. It is very sad to see that you are leaving, but the moments we share and the memories we made will always be remembered and cherished. On behalf of everyone, I wish you the best of luck of your new job, and I'm sure you are going to be successful at your new workplace. Secondly, we have 2 teachers who will be retiring. They are Ibu Rina and Pak Ilham. Ibu Rina, Bahasa Indonesia teacher, has been working at GCS for 22 years, and Pak Ilham, religion teacher, even more, 25 years. Recently, I wish you congratulations of your retirement, but I also want you to know what a blessing it's been to work with you over these past few years, and how much I will miss you. Then you responded to my note, and wouldn't you know, you up feeling word encouraging more than you could imagine. That's the special kind of person you are. Here is a farewell word from Purina and Pak Ilham.
Akhirnya kelulusan itu datang juga. 22 tahun sudah saya menjadi bagian dari sekolah ini dan kini saatnya saya memasuki masa pensiun. Selama 22 tahun mengajar bahasa Indonesia di sekolah ini tentunya ada banyak pengalaman suka duka yang telah saya lewati bersama dengan seluruh siswa-siswi Global Jaya dengan keunikannya masing-masing. Pada kesempatan kali ini izinkan saya pamit dari sekolah ini dengan harapan apa yang pernah saya berikan dan apa yang pernah saya ajarkan dapat bermanfaat bagi siswa-siswi semuanya. Akhir kata, selamat berpisah saya ucapkan kepada seluruh siswa Global Jaya School dan tentunya kepada Bapak Ibu Guru yang telah bekerja sama selama ini. Tak lupa saya juga mohon maaf kepada seluruh komunitas Global Jaya apabila selama ini ada banyak kesalahan yang saya lakukan. Terima kasih dan sampai jumpa.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera buat kita semua. Yang terhormat Bapak, Ibu, Kepala Sekolah, rekan-rekan guru, para staf, karyawan, dan siswa-siswi Sekolah Global Jaya yang saya banggakan. Sebelumnya saya mengucapkan terima kasih karena telah diberi kesempatan untuk memberikan sambutan, lebih tepatnya sambutan perpisahan, di mana tahun ini adalah tahun terakhir saya untuk bertugas dan mengabdi di sekolah kita yang tercinta ini. Ini merupakan perpisahan saya dengan sekolah ini setelah sekian tahun lamanya saya mengajar di sekolah ini. Dan selama itu pula saya merasa bahagia dapat menjadi bagian dari keluarga besar sekolah ini. Saya mohon maaf atas segala ucapan, perbuatan, maupun kesalahan yang saya perbuat selama ini. Tidak lupa saya ucapkan juga terima kasih kepada seluruh warga sekolah ini atas bantuan dan kerjasama yang diberikan. Mudah-mudahan Sekolah Global Jaya dapat terus berkembang dan menjadi lebih baik di masa yang akan datang. Kiranya sekian yang dapat saya sampaikan. Terima kasih.